How to change the skin on Minecraft Java Edition. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Minecraft skins. Different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the very first one. It will redirect you to this page. Tons of different skins will be available to you. You can even search for it in the source bar. Head over to any of the skin that you want to download. Right beside the skin, click on the download icon. Your skin will start to download. Once it has been downloaded, go back and head over to Minecraft. Once you're in here, click on Java Edition at the left side of the screen. And then click on Skins at the top. And then click on New Skin. Well, you will be landing on this page where you'll be able to change the skin. First of all, enter the name for your skin. And then select the player model. Then click on this Browse. It will open up your file. Click on the file of the skin that you have just downloaded before. And then click on Open. So there you can see the skin has been changed. Once you are done, click on Save and Use. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change the skin on Minecraft Java Edition. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.